the hate army troll.
It's the hate army,
Bro. Hate army.
Shout out to hate.
Good vibes to the
Shout
hate
out to
army.
hate.
Shout out to hate.
Shout out
Shout
for
out to
hate.
hate.
Shout out to hate.
Shout out for
Shout
hate.
out for hate.
Okay. So, by the way, Slayer, I'm glad you're here. So, just to clarify, because I talked about this on my podcast this morning, all right? The other night when I was playing Dalsim in Street Fighter 6, basically we had a group of people come in here and purposefully derail the chat. It was basically a guy on 5 or 6 fucking sock accounts at once, pretending to be 5 or 6 different people when they were all the same guy. And then a bunch of other people joined in on purpose to basically try to derail everything. And it was frustrating because I was playing the game. I couldn't focus on the chat. And at first I mentioned it. I was like, oh, so you guys are talking about stakes or something. And then I played for like another 20 minutes. I turned back and literally they had dominated the chat and no one was allowed to talk about Street Fighter because everyone was talking about fucking barbecue and steaks and shit. And I was like, guys, what are you doing? Like, this is a Street Fighter stream. You've been doing this for like 25 minutes now. Like, this is ridiculous. I got angry. And then someone gave me lip back. Oh, well, your stream is boring. I'm like, what are you, fucking crazy? Then don't come to the fucking Street Fighter stream, you idiot. What are you at a fighting game stream for if you think fighting games are boring? You're a fucking moron. So anyway, they turned it into a dunce meme for 2 days. No lie. This is what they've been talking about for 2 days. Don't tell me how that's a meme. I mean, you have to be a fucking brain-dead idiot or have the mental capacity of a 2-year-old. But this is what they've been doing for a couple of days. So I just ignoring it. I'm not, you know, if I see it in chat, I'll just fucking moderate and move on. But Slayer, just so you know this is going on. If you see idiots tonight trying to derail the chat, they're definitely doing it on purpose. So you know what's happening. You know, I can't watch the chat at all times when I'm playing Street Fighter. So that's basically what's going to be happening tonight. You know you're going to have these idiots coming in and trying to be stupid. It's not that you can't talk about other topics. It's that when you literally turn the entirety of the chat into something about nothing about the stream, you're not even commenting on the game. Like, what are you here for? You're not watching the stream. You're not commenting on anything here. You've derailed the chat. You've broken the fucking rules, right? It's like, what are you doing? What's up, Generation Z? You're having Jollibee? What are you eating from Jollibee? Because doesn't Jollibee have, like, a wide variety of foods? Oh, exactly, Jax. The thing is, I ignore the trolls, too. If I see it, I gotta call it out if they're derailing the stream, and I move on. I'm not even kidding. I had a whole day off. I come back this morning, and people are like, yeah, so the meme, it's been for 2 days, the meme is steaks. I'm like, I had my day off yesterday. It was kind of a stressful day. Personal stuff going on. And you know, coming back, it's like, I'm excited to come back. Oh, no, they're just going to meme about steaks all day. I'm like, no, they aren't. No, they're not. They're just going to get banned because they're idiots. You know, what the fuck? Who the fuck would care about that? Anyway, let's get set up here. Let's get set up and get started.
Typically helps me more than anything.